On number 2, we're taking negative 64 and raising it to the 1/3 power. So the 1/3 power, that's the same as the cubed root. And the cubed root of negative 64 is negative 4. With 3, the negative is not on the inside of a parentheses like we see on number 2. So there's no parentheses. So we need to be really careful with our order of operations here. And order of operations is PEMDAS. The negative that you see here, the 1/4 power does not apply to it. It's like saying negative 1 times 81 to the 1/4. And then according to order of operations, you do the exponent before you do the multiplication. So this is negative 1 times the 4th root of 81, which is negative 1 times 3, which is negative 3. So it's a very subtle difference, but very important difference. Your calculator does know the difference. So if you just type these in exactly how you see them, then your calculator will know what to do with it. But just in general, if the negative is on the inside of the parentheses with the exponent, then when you convert it, the negative is on the inside of the radical. If there are no parentheses, then the negative is on the outside of the radical.